In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and click on Security section under Privacy. Then you need to click on App Lock and choose Open the encryption. Following that, select one of those login methods for your apps. I will go with pattern password. Then you need to create it, choose Continue, repeat it, and click on Complete. Then click on the back button and tap on the switcher next to an app that you want to lock. I will go with Phone. Now when I click Home button and try to access Phone app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!